Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's important video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF format and vice versa. So let's get started. First is you just have to search for Word here at the bottom search bar. And the moment the best match will appear, just go for open. So once you open that, you will be redirected to your Word office and let me just close this and go for the blank document. So I'll just have encoded everything here. Let's say, for example, text. And if I'm going to convert this to PDF, just have to go to the file and it has this different options in the left side. Go for export. Here, it has these two options, create PDF and change file type. In our case, since we'll be converting that into PDF, then just simply double tap and you will be redirected here. Just have to change the file name. Okay, I'll just leave with that. And here, as you can see, save as type, it is on PDF. Okay, just have to go for desktop and then published. Okay. And the moment you closed everything, here, as you can see, the sample that I have created is in PDF form. But let's say if you wanted it to convert to MS Word, then just simply click this. Do a right click and go for Open With and go to Word 2016. Okay, just click on OK to proceed. And now you will be redirected to the word that you have just created. And in order to save that, just Control S to save. And you can see here, instead of PDF, it becomes to Word document. Okay, just choose any of the location that you wanted to save and click on Save to continue. Here, when you check the file, just have to close everything. It is now in Word document. Okay. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.